Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm over here, just off camera. Thank you for joining me in the outhouse at Friendship Shaving. I thought that I would share with you my Whalen Butcher razor that I managed to buy on eBay for £5.65. It's my intention to restore this razor, and I thought I might document the process, but I should stress that I know nothing about restoring a razor. So we'll talk about that in a moment. First of all, I'll show you the razor that I have bought. When I saw the advertisement, it was advertising a Millard razor, and you can see there quite clearly the name is on the box. There we are, we'll just put that out of the way. And the razor was pictured open. It wasn't a very good picture, but I did just manage to see on the tang there that it said Wade and Butcher. And I put in my bid and I got it for £5.65, as I've said. Let me just rest it on there. So you can see there is a little bit of discoloration. Now I have a friend, Dean, who does restore straight razors, and Dean seems to think this is water damage rather than rust, and certainly when I look at it through a loupe, it doesn't appear to be rust. There is a little bit of rust up here just on the blade's stabilizer, and there is some rust in the jimps and down there at the end of the scales. Apart from that, it really doesn't look too bad. I'm quite pleasantly surprised. There was a little bit of discoloration. Can you see just there on the end of the blade? Just there on the heel of the blade. But all in all, it seems quite reasonable. It is a 13/16 width blade, and it is, if you can see, a Wade and Butcher special. I'm trying to catch the light there so you can see. There we are. It is a bit obscured there with some dirt, and so it all needs cleaning up. I think these scales are the original celluloid scales. I am actually going to buy some pieces of bone to try and make some new scales, and obviously I will need new pins, and in order to clean the blade properly I'll have to take these pins out. As I say, I thought this might be a nice little project, something that I can just sit and work on. I have minimal tools, so as the razor was inexpensive, I didn't want to spend a great deal of money. You know, I didn't want to spend £100 on a buffing machine or anything like that. So I will probably be hand sanding the blade, although I have got some little attachments for a Dremel, and they may come in handy. And certainly it's not going to be a video that you would watch if you are looking for expertise on how to restore a straight razor. It's going to be so far from that type of a video. This will be literally my first attempt, and whatever I do, I'll be looking for you experts out there to suggest ways I could have done it better, so that should anyone else see this video, there'll be you know, some comments that they can look at to help them. Anyway, that is my first 5-minute video, a little introduction to my £5.65 vintage Wade & Butcher. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time around. Bye bye now.